Hey guys, it's Meeting 95 here. Today, I'm doing a video at Zagray's farm tractor show. Looking at the big machinery. Here's a giant thingy. Look at all this. It's a Northwest. Which one's Northwest? That's right there. The Northwest crane from 1947, 6-cylinder cat diesel, and that is a 1966 Keurig 455. It's really cool. Here's the Northwest crane. Wow, this thing's massive, like freaking enormous. Like one of those little links in the chain weighs more than me, probably. Maybe. Probably not. And there's a nice big dump truck thing. There's the crane bucket all the way up there. Here's a Chester construction lift. Another people. How big this is. It's huge. This is my first year here. So bad. This is also a Northwest crane, year 1953. And it also is a 6-cylinder, but it's a Murphy diesel. And it's pretty big itself. Here's some sort of construction area. Guys with the lawn tractors, lucky they got to bring them. I didn't get to bring mine this year. I'm bringing mine in the spring. And there's that Keurig bucket lift. Here's some other types. And there's Lionel's office and his FF20. There's a bunch of Left 4 Dead stuff, you know. This is really cool. I'm so glad I could make it this year. I actually live all the way in New Jersey, in Bergen County. And this is all the way up in Connecticut. So you can imagine how happy I am to make it here. That thing's cool. Little bulldozer. Oh, here's that sawmill thing that everyone sees. I didn't get to see it running. Well, thanks for watching.